Feeling crushed by your to-do list? What if AI could clear your chaos in minutes? Starting today. These 5 hacks will transform how you tackle tasks, whether it's work, school, or side hustles. I'll show you every step, no fluff. Don't miss this. It's easier than you think. Hey there. If your to-do list feels like a monster, piling up with assignments, emails, or client tasks, you're not alone. I've been there, staring at 20 tasks with no clue where to start. Welcome to AI Proisy, your hub for working smarter with AI. Today, I'm unpacking 5 AI hacks to help you crush your to-do list fast, stay organized, and actually enjoy your day. No tech degree needed, just a few clicks. Ready to take control? Let's dive in. First, Todoist AI. This free app is a game changer for task management. I used to scribble tasks on random notes, losing hours to chaos. One week, I missed a client deadline because my list was a mess. Todoist AI fixed that. Here's how it works. Open Todoist's free plan. Add tasks like finish report, email client, study for exam. Now tap the AI feature. Type, prioritize my tasks for today. In seconds, it sorts your list. Say, report first, email second, study tonight. It even suggests deadlines based on your schedule. I reorganized 10 tasks in 5 minutes, not an hour. Want more? Ask, break down my report task. AI splits it into steps. Research, draft, edit. I stayed on track and delivered early. Todoist AI is like a coach keeping you focused. Start free today. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Next up, Gemini. A free AI to plan your day like a pro. Ever feel paralyzed by a long list? I once spent 30 minutes just deciding what to do first. Gemini makes it instant. Go to Gemini's web tool. No sign up for basic use. Type, plan my day with these tasks. Meeting, gym, project outline. It creates a schedule. 9 a.m. meeting, 11 a.m. gym, 2 p.m. outline. It even adds buffers like 15 min to prep for meeting. Here's a trick. Make it specific. Try. Plan my study day, max 6 hours. Gemini builds a focused block. Say, 2 hours math, 1 hour break, 3 hours history. I planned a full week in 10 minutes, avoiding burnout. Gemini's like a time wizard, turning chaos into clarity. Use it free and watch your days flow smoother. Hack number 3, Descript. This AI turns messy notes into clean tasks. As a student or freelancer, you're probably drowning in meeting notes or lecture scribbles. I used to lose ideas in notebooks until Descript saved me. Here's the deal. Record a meeting or study session with Descript's free plan. Upload the audio. AI transcribes it instantly, highlighting key points. Say you recorded a client call. Type, extract tasks from this. Descript lists them. Send proposal by Friday. Revise mock-up. I turned a 30-minute call into a to-do list in 3 minutes. For students, try summarize lecture tasks. It pulls out assignments like read chapter 5. I aced a test because Descript flagged deadlines ID forgotten. It's a memory upgrade, free and stupidly simple. Start recording and let AI do the heavy lifting. Moving on to hack 4, Airtable AI. Think of it as a super smart spreadsheet for your tasks. If you were juggling big projects, like a startup pitch or group assignment, lists alone cut it. I once lost track of a team project because emails were scattered. Airtable AI keeps it tight. Sign up for Airtable's free plan. Create a base for your project. Add tasks like design slides, collect data. Now use AI. Type, organize my tasks by priority and assignee. Airtable sorts them. Say, slides to me, high priority, data to Sarah, medium. It even tracks progress. I managed a $3,000 freelance gig with 5 collaborators in one dashboard. No stress. Want visuals? Ask, show my tasks as a calendar. Boom. Deadlines pop up. Airtable AI feels like a project manager in your pocket. Try it free and kiss chaos goodbye. Finally, Llama. This free AI is your brainstorming buddy for big tasks. Ever stare at a task like plan marketing campaign and freeze? I did, wasting hours on a blank page. Llama sparks ideas fast. Access Llama's web tool, open source, no cost. Type, "Give me ideas for a social media campaign." It lists 10. Post daily tips, run a giveaway, collaborate with influencers. I built a client plan in 20 minutes, not 2 hours. Here's the power move. Refine it. Ask, make these ideas budget-friendly. Llama tweaks. Say, use free Canva templates for posts. I impressed a client with a pitch they thought took days. Llama works for any task. Essays, business plans, even personal goals. Type, help me plan my week. It's like a creative assistant, always ready. Start free and unlock your next big win. These 5 hacks, Todoist AI, Gemini, Descript, Airtable AI, Llama, are your toolkit to obliterate your to-do list. Prioritize tasks, plan days, clean notes, manage projects, spark ideas, all faster than ever. I've cut my task time by half, leaving room for side hustles or just Netflix. You can too, starting with their free versions today. Let's recap why these rock. Todoist AI sorts your chaos, so you focus on what matters. Gemini plans your day to avoid overwhelm. Descript turns notes into action without missing a beat. Airtable AI runs projects like a pro, no mess. Llama ignites ideas to tackle big tasks with confidence. Together, they give you control. More time, less stress, and space to chase your goals. Whether it's acing exams, landing clients, or building a business. That's it for today. 5 AI hacks to make your to-do list a breeze in 2025. With Todoist, Gemini, Descript, Airtable, and Llama, you're unstoppable. Work smarter, live better. Which hack's calling your name? Todoist for tasks, Llama for ideas, or something else? Share it in the comments. I read them all. If this lit a spark, hit that like button. It fuels more hacks. Subscribe to AI Proisy for weekly tips to own your time. Thanks for watching. Here's to crushing it.